We're moving. We're moving. We're moving spots. We're moving spots. The black one, guys. This isn't good at all. Oh my god. Oh god, this is bad. I got to deploy over here because it's 3,000 to deploy. So I'm deploying right here. Please to God, have this thing deploy by the time this tornado comes. It takes 22 seconds to deploy. Dude, that tornado is inching closer and closer. Oh, wait. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Yes. Well, that's undeploying. If you enjoyed this video today, it's still deploying. It's very loud. I'm sorry. But if you enjoyed this video today, like and subscribe. Try to pop up my channel right above this, or right here in front of my face. But bye. Dominator. Or no, Team 2. Bye.